Hi friends, today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to highlight and contour using Maskcara Beauty's 3D Foundation. So setting up your palette is so simple. Just slide out your 10 and the magnet will hold it in place in your compact. Then you can also use those 10 lids to pop them out. That way you won't dig your fingers in the creams when you're changing out your colors. Today I'm using the mini double decker. It has 2 levels and is the perfect size to hold all the colors for my entire face. There's the 30-second hack, the detail hack brush, the B squared brush, the power powder brush, and then all of them are double-ended. You also need the Stay Spray and the Perfector, of course. So first, I always start with Stay Setting Spray to prime my face. Let that dry, and I'm going to go in with my darkest color first. This is Mango. So Mango is perfect at covering my redness, my hyperpigmentation, and any of the darkness under my eyes. In areas where I'm lighter, I can go in with Amber. It's really easy to use multiple colors with this makeup. You just have to dip into another color, and it doesn't take any extra time. And you get a customized match for your skin tone. Can you see the difference in coverage? A little goes a long way with these. They are designed for great coverage using very little product and allow you to build it up in light layers for the coverage you want. So all of our highlights are yellow based, so they're gonna brighten instead of match your skin tone exactly. It also makes them amazing at canceling out redness. So here I'm going in with yet another highlight color because I like to brighten under my eyes. This is Aura, which is my accent highlight. It has more yellow in it, so it helps cancel out that blue and purple underneath my eyes. And, you know, extra attention to your eyes. This is what will brighten underneath them, and you can use it to accent down the center of your nose, center of your forehead, Cupid's bow, and your chin, all to bring attention to those eyes. So now we're going to get into the contour, which makes this 3D foundation. You'll see I pounced it into half my brush, and then I feel for my cheekbone. So you're going from about the middle of your ear to that imaginary line to the corner of your mouth, and you're going to place that color no farther than the side of your eye, and then always blend up. You don't want to drag your face down. You're wanting to lift those cheekbones. Blend and repeat. If you feel you've got too much in one spot, it's the beauty of creams. You can't go wrong. Just take a little bit of that leftover highlight and blend it out. No mistake cannot be fixed with creams. So we also contour around the top of our forehead, and then you want to push it and blend it into your hairline. And then we go under the jawline as well. Okay, sculpt out that jaw. Just make sure you're going under the jaw and not on the side of your face. Then blend it down your neck so it's seamless. So for those days when you want to get a little fancy, you can go in with the nose contour. I don't do this every day, but the basic principle is you want to make 2 very thin lines right where your nose starts curving downward, and then you always want to highlight down the center. So color number 3 is the dual purpose lip and cheek. I am using Nude and the B squared blush and bronzer brush, and I like to stipple. So look for the apple of your cheeks, go slightly towards the outside, and you want to stipple along the top of that contour. You don't want to have a space in between. You want them to be seamless. Perfector time. This is when the magic happens. Using a damp perfector and pressing it into the skin is what's going to take off the excess and make it look like skin and not like makeup. It's magic. And since creams don't set, you do need to set any areas you don't want to worry about creasing. So I always set with powder underneath my eyes. So this is Vanilla Dust. I also set anywhere you might get shiny. You can pretty much set anywhere you've applied highlight. this is using the Power Powder brush. Now I go back to my B squared brush and I'm using Cayman bronzer to set my contour areas. So this is our powdered bronzer and it sets them so nicely. It blends it in, finishes the look, and it helps it last longer. Yay! All right, so we're ready for color number 4, which is our Illuminator. Here is rose gold. I like to apply it right on that upper part of the cheekbone using the Perfector. This means I can blend it as I apply it, win-win. And then anywhere else you want a touch of glow. So I like to do under the brows, inside corners of the eyes. You can go down the center of the nose, Cupid's bow, anywhere. Okay, lastly, I like to add a touch of color using that same Nude Lip and Cheek to my lips. And this is a matte color, so I like to add some gloss. So then I'm going to put a little Desert Sunset on top. And since I can't help myself, I got to break out the Photoshop using that powder brush again. This is our Powder Illuminator, and it will give you an even more intense glow. I just can't stop. It's so pretty. All you gotta do is stay spray again. That setting spray is gonna make it last all day. Super easy, and you're done. If you like this video, be sure to hit that button so I know to make more for y'all. Hopefully you guys learned something, and thank you all for watching, loves. Bye.